welcome back. Before we get started, hit a like and subscribe. Let's get into this. So, I will be showing you, me and my assistant will be showing you how to make clear slime. Let's get started. So, what we're going to start with is we're going to pour glue into this bowl. And so, we're gonna pour water with borax, otherwise known as activator, into it, and we'll see what we come out with. Let's get started. So, first, school glue. Pouring glue in here. Now, that's probably as much slime as we are going to get. Now, we're going to pour borax dissolved in water into this bubbly glue brew. Remember, for best results, take borax and water and dissolve them, not plain water. All you gotta do is keep stirring, and sometimes you need to add more. You see that? It's turning into slime. But it's not fully quite there yet. It's more like putty. And putty and slime are not the same. So, we're almost there. Maybe one or two more spills. So, this probably is the last spill we're actually gonna need. Or, actually, no, it's not. See, it's all mushing up in there. That means you're about halfway there, but not there yet. Oh, and if you like it sticky, add less activator. And if you like it, not sticky, so you can be all clean, add more activator. But remember, you must keep it from being as super duper wet. Okay. It might seem gross at first, but if you really think it's worth it to make the slime, you must keep going. Also, you're probably going to want a sink once you're done to wash your hands. As you can see, the slime is getting more slime-like, but if you stretch it out, it's not very stretchy just yet. For best results, wait a few days to clear up. So just leave it, maybe play with it a few times I meant keep it in an airtight container, probably in a cold place like a refrigerator. No, scratch that. That's probably a bad idea.
Next to a window.
Next to a window, probably.